A lot of puppies here. And is that the one again in the back that's laying down? That's her?
Female. Yep.
She is
she's
big.
got a nice head, boxy head.
And that's what so do you think she'll end up looking like her mom, or what, or is
Well,
it's hard to tell.
It's hard to tell. I'm
Okay.
thinking she's gonna probably take after her dad.
And dad,
Just for the boxy head, you know.
right?
And he's the male that was on the site.
The one standing
One
tall.
standing tall.
Oh yeah. And that's your partner's.
Yeah, and he's AKC, UKC, and FCI registered, and he's an import out of Brazil, so he's
Okay. And as far as her, she comes with UKC, or is that
UKC.
UKC?
Yeah.
And when you're selling them, is that the best paperwork to have, or is it both AKC and UKC?
Well, it really doesn't really matter.
Okay.
Really. FCI is the original. The original paperwork for the dogs, and then other organizations started recognizing them.
Oh, okay.
It was FCI, then it was UKC, and then AKC is finally. And AKC is, they're not, how can I explain it? The miscellaneous category they are in now, so you can get papers for them, but they're not recognized as a breed yet. You know, they're in the working class, but it's only in a very short time they'll be recognizing them. I mean, you can still get papers on them, but there'll be an M in front of their numbers.
Oh,
which will be
okay.
miscellaneous
With AKC?
with AKC. Yeah.
Yeah, I got paper.
And then as soon as they